tell us about this absolutely minted little Honda? I mean, it really is a classic.
Yeah. This is a 1991 RS125, which again you would have raced in Grand Prix. It's got the same fairing, tank, and well, basically the bike is pretty much as it came out the Honda factory in 1991.
I mean, has it done much racing?
No, as far as we know, it hasn't done a great deal. No.
It really looks really.
Yeah, that is the proper HRC colours of 1991.
Oh. And did that model do well in 91?
Oh yeah, it's what you wanted in a Grand Prix. Yeah,
You had to have that in the Grand Prix. Yeah. Oh, it really does look like the business. It's really, really good. And it's going to be a quiet sounding one.
Yeah, it's not too bad, but it's not like the Arta.
Well, let's hear it, Roy.
Yeah.